Good morning. I think it's time to go make some coffee. But you never take it seriously. And I wonder if it will change. I've told you so many times before. And I wonder if it will change. I've told you so many times before. I had to switch the cup because the other one wouldn't fit in the machine for some reason. I tried to put it in and it just kept falling out. It is currently 5:57 in the morning, about to go for a run. You know when you're trying to be quiet because everybody's sleeping in the house? Well, yeah, that didn't work. I almost broke 2 glasses. I tripped over, fell down the stairs, and I turned the washing machine on by accident. Like, how does that even work? Like, come on. This is I pick up the vlog, I try to do some filming, and everything just falls apart. It's like Home Alone season 3. All right, so it is now. I don't know if you guys can see it because of the exposure, but it's 6:14 in the morning. I use Nike Run Plus, by the way, guys. It works really, really good if you're going for a run. It's very good at tracking. It shows your kilometers, your distance, your pace, everything. I'm really, really loving these morning runs. They feel, can you guys see me? I don't know if you guys can see me right now. I don't have that flippy screen no more on my camera. I got a Sony. These morning runs are amazing. They make me so happy. And yeah, all right, so I don't know if you can see me.
Beginning workout.
What the hell's that noise? Whew. Alrighty guys, so I ran. Okay, relax. 5.55 kilometers in 23 minutes. And that's a pretty good time, honestly. I've been running every morning for the past 3 weeks now, I gotta say. Every morning, wake up, 5:30. Oh my God, dog. And I go for about a 5.5K, 5K. Just all depends on how far I want to run. Why are you so busy? Come on. Only because I'm trying to film. Dogs barking, everyone's driving all over the streets. 6 a.m. Like, what the heck's going on? Alrighty, you guys, so I am currently in my car right now. It is 6:58 in the morning. I'm about to drive to the gym to meet Mike. We're gonna do a few video clips, some pictures. We've been making some mad progress this past couple of months. I've been training really hard these past couple of months. My mindset has completely changed. I listened to a lot of motivational speakers. We're gonna do some video stuff. It's gonna look really sick. And then right after, I'm gonna go to the beach and do some stretching. Usually I do it before, but we have this scheduled for a little bit now to meet at 7. It's 6:58, so I have 2 minutes to meet him. I'm a little bit late. Mike thinks he's getting ripped. Look at him. Thinks he's getting ripped with his green skin. I hate not having a flip-up screen because I can't see what I'm doing in this camera. So made it to the gym. Mike's right there warming up. I don't really need to warm up because I just got back from a run, but this is the home gym, man. Yeah, this is the home gym, guys. This is where I work out every day. It's empty right now because it's like 7:10 in the morning. So what we're doing here in the gym, nothing really planned. We're just kind of lifting some weights and getting some really good video content for you guys. And then Mike thinks he's lean or something. Show off what we've been working towards, what we've been working for. Nothing really special, nothing crazy. I don't really focus on physique when I'm in the gym. Like, the physique just comes because of the nutrition and the consistent training. Mike's the one that focuses on his physique. Let me know if you guys want to see some more lifting and some more workout videos. Leave a comment down below if you guys want to see more of the workout videos. So that was just a little small clip of just a few exercises, doing a little bit of shoulders, chest, biceps, triceps. Egghead thinks he's ripped. I'm tired though, I gotta work out later as well. I got 2 more workouts to do. I gotta do some shoulders and I gotta do a boxing / hit workout later as well. Showing you guys just a little bit of the routine. Oh yeah, and I also just recently started training boxing classes Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and every other weekend. So tomorrow's the second Friday class, and I'm super, well, by the time you guys see this video, it will already be Friday, because I upload every Friday. Trying to do Mondays as well, but every Friday I upload. I'm also gonna be showing you guys a few clips of the boxing classes too. I don't know in this video, probably not this video, but the next video, because I'm gonna be doing a few clips. Mike's gonna take a few clips of me recording some of the boxing classes. Let's go, Mike, let's go, yeah! Yeah, let's go, baby! Get ripped! Get ripped! Alright, so I made it back just in time to catch the sunrise. I went home, I changed, got on a little sweater, a couple sweaters. It's actually really cold today, but it's really beautiful. The sunrise, catching that sunrise, like, look at this. Like, you guys see it all the way down there? How it's freaking just the blue, orange, turquoise. It's amazing, man. This is an every morning vibe. Unless it's cloudy and rainy, then I don't even bother coming. Well, I'll do a stretch, but not at the beach. Anyway, I gotta show you guys this before we get started. Look at this.
I don't have that type of richness. My richness is life.
One of the biggest struggles of not having that flippy screen I was talking about is I can't see myself. And in this next clip, when I was sitting down on the beach, my head was kind of cut off and I wasn't in frame, but what can you say? It's good enough. So, it's the number one reason on why you guys click this video, why I wake up at 5:30 every morning. Look at this. Like, I don't think I've caught a sunrise this many times in my entire life. Like, it would be the most struggled thing ever just to try to get up at 8 o'clock in the morning to even like kind of see a little bit of the sunrise, because later in the year, in like the cold times, like it's really cold right now, we're getting to the end of October, and like December when the sun would come up at like 7:45, and like now 5:30 in the morning, waking up no problem, making my coffee, going for my morning runs, which I absolutely love, being able to get my day started early, being able to get productive early, and that's the ultimate goal. And you know what, man, if you can get yourself up every morning, every day, just get yourself up, set a goal, say tomorrow morning I'm gonna get up 6:30 and start my day, start with a plan, write something down, tell yourself, look, I'm gonna get up tomorrow, I'm gonna have my coffee, I'm gonna sit down, read a book, I'm gonna write things down, I'm gonna write in my journal, I'm gonna go to work, after I'm done work I'm gonna come home, I'm gonna go do my workout, after I do my workout I'm gonna have my dinner. Like, as long as you're being productive and as long as you have your day planned, that's what success is. Like, this is the most beautiful thing I've ever experienced in a long time, and I have my days planned now. I'm having more of you just get more time to your day. You wake up early in the morning and you're just feeling more energized. Everybody's asleep. I can almost guarantee you, if you wake up every day at 5 o'clock in the morning, there is no doubt in my mind everybody's gonna be asleep. Go for a morning walk. Go enjoy a nice morning walk. Like, just seeing the sunrise, even a peak just come up, that spikes the mood. The way you feel overall, just it's such a beautiful feeling. Pushing myself that first time to wake up every morning at 5:30, pushing myself was definitely hard. And I've been doing this for about a month now. I teach boxing Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays every other weekend. So I'm keeping myself occupied. I'm happy. I'm keeping myself busy. Let me know down below, guys, if y'all want to. It's pretty cold out here. I got my hands in my pocket right now. It's freezing. It's probably about 1 degree Celsius out here. Yeah, let me know down in the comments below if you guys want to see more like just kind of like a day vlog, like kind of just stuff like this, or if you want to see some workout videos, any motivational videos, like whatever. I'm still gonna do the food challenges. I'm still gonna do like comedy skits and videos and stuff with my friends. I love doing all that stuff. I love doing all this, and I love keeping you guys happy and entertained. That's the main thing. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe if you guys are new, because I love each and every single one of y'all that click on my videos, that take your time out of your day to watch. And I'm just gonna go enjoy this sunrise, man. It's still coming up. The sky's looking orange, nice and blue. Water's looking nice and blue. The waves, man, it feels good. And this is why I wake up every morning so early, because I just get to experience things like this, enjoy my mornings, enjoy my day, be productive. You know, it all comes with inner strength. It all comes with mindset. The mind plays a big role, like 90% of it. And, you know, you have to really put your mind to the test and your body to the test. And, you know, just tell yourself you can do it, man, because anybody can do it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Leave a thumbs up. Let's go, baby. Man, this feels good. Feels good. Let's go.
That's not the most important thing. People don't write sonnets about being compatible or novels about shared life goals and stimulating conversation. The great loves are the crazy ones,